Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty has moved yesterday and how the Bank Nifty can move tomorrow. See, if we look at this chart, today was a weekly expiry, you know that, and we have seen that the trend, the Bank Nifty has made a little move upside and then came down. Okay, it was like we cannot it's like we cannot even judge where it is going. So what we have to do as a trader, we have to look for the momentum and where the market is going, and then we have traded according to that level. So if you have checked my previous video, I have told you the levels where it can bounce back or where it can move. So tomorrow what we can expect from Nifty, because today it was like a very volatile market, okay, and the premium were decaying very fast, okay, but we can see tomorrow, if you look at this chart, a range is formed now. 35,500 is a strong range and 33,891 is a strong range. So since around, if I tell you 17 May, it is moving in this particular range. So if I show you a 5 days chart, then you will understand how it is moving. So now it has come 34,721, it has closed, okay. So what we, if you look at the pattern, we have seen that first it went down, from that came up, and then continuously fallen sharp. And I have told you that if it comes down, it will hit the resistance and then it can come more sharp fall, it can fall sharp. So what we have seen here is that the Bank Nifty, if it goes below, suppose if it moves upside, okay, suppose if it goes above a level of 34,799, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 34,900, okay. Suppose if it opens in this particular range and goes above 34,900, chances are high it can go further high if it stays above 34,799. Suppose if it opens in this particular range itself, and if it goes below a level of 34,687, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 34,640, and from there it can touch a level of 34,550, which is a very strong support. And if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 34,388 also, or chances are high it can go and touch a level of 270 also, 34,270. Or if it, suppose if it opens above 34,900, then chances are high it can go above 35, okay, which is very strong support with strong resistance. Or suppose if it opens below a level of 34,600, then chances are high that this will treat as a resistance, and it can touch a level of 34,500, and from there it can touch a level of 34,300, 390, and from there it can touch a level of 34,250 also. So let's wait where the market opens and then we'll decide where we'll take our trade. If we talk about Nifty, okay, if we talk about Nifty, then you will understand. See, what we have seen in the Nifty, that Nifty was in the particular range for some time. See, look at this range, okay. So once this range has break downside, and now the Nifty is moving in this particular range. So suppose if Nifty opens in this particular area below 1700 and around 15,670, then we can see that it can touch a level of 15,733, and if it goes above that level, then it can touch a level of 15,750, okay. Or it can touch a level of 1795, and then it can touch a level of 15,800, okay, and then it can go further high. Suppose if it opens in this particular range and if it goes below a level of 15,660, or it can touch a level of 15,600, okay, and if it goes more than below that level, it can touch a level of 15,600, or it can further go and with a very strong support at around 15,500. So this range, if this range breaks downside, we can see 15,660 is a very strong support, and if this range breaks downside, then we can see a level of 15,600, and from there we can see a level of 15,540 and a very strong support at around 15,500. Suppose if it opens in this particular range and goes above a level of 15735, which is a strong resistance. If it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 15750, and from there we can see a level of 15800 also, and then we can see further upside movement. Or if it opens above this level 15800, then it can take this as a resistance 15733, and it can go bounce back again at this level of breaks, then it can come down to 700 also. Or if it opens gap down at this level, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 15500 or 15550, or it can go to a level of 15500, then it can bounce back from this level. Okay, so let's wait where the market opens for the first 15-minute candle, and then we'll decide where the market goes. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.